Chess for Children. We make children smarter.
Hello, Chess for Children kids, and today's subject is Part 2, the Protection Checkmate.
Chess for Children kids, so much fun you'll split a rib. Summer, winter, fall, we'll checkmate them all with a Chess for Children kids.
The Protection Checkmate is the checkmate with the queen and the rook. The reason why we call it the Protection Checkmate is because the pieces protect each other as they go down the board. Like, look at this position. Here, the rook moves up and attacks the king. The king cannot take it because the queen is protecting. And when the king moves out the way, the queen comes up and attacks the king. But notice that he cannot take it because the rook is protecting the queen and the queen is protecting the rook. So the king has to move again. So once the king moves, we bring up the rook, protected by the queen. The king moves, the queen comes up and protects the rook, and the rook protects the queen and attacks the king at the same time. So the king looks at it, no other place but move back. Rook again attacks the king. King can't take it. Queen's protected. Then the king's forced to move back. And finally, the queen comes down and delivers the checkmate. Okay, that's the Protection Checkmate. In this, the queen and the rook work perfectly together. It is white to move and checkmate in 6. Stop the video, see if you can solve it, and I'll see you in a few more seconds. Okay, if you solved it, congratulations. If you didn't, well, maybe next time. Okay, now let's look at the position. Well, the king's getting ready to take the rook, so the queen has to protect the rook and at the same time attack the king, because if we even give black one move, we will be checkmated or lose our queen. A whole bunch of nasty things can happen. So the move is how the pieces connect is queen to d7. And now the king moves to e5. Well, the rook goes to f5. And then the king moves to e4. Now this pattern, in which the king is literally in a box created by the queen and rook, has a very nasty name. The name is called the KillBox. So the queen comes back to d5 protected by the rook and attacking the king, and the king must go further down. Now the rook attacks the king, and the king goes to e2. The queen comes to d3, protected by the rook, and the king must go to f1, and the mate is finished off by rook to f1. A perfectly coordinated queen and rook.
Next time, Part 3, the walk checkmate.